Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at State Route 13. We have a train coming, check it out. And to all of you watching on the rail fan camera, there's a westbound train coming. So we have a train coming, check it out, roll it. It is, I'm coming, I just heard the horn. Here it comes, roll it. It didn't even work at all that time. Most people are so impatient out here, I don't know why. That's what I'm just saying. Because did you see that one car right there? I thought he was about to run over the gate. Or hit the gate, whatever. Before we roll it, let's see if we have a green signal. Because if we do, that will determine if I should keep videoing or not. That's why I'm gonna look at the signal before I end the video. And it doesn't look like it has changed. That train starts out in Conway, Pennsylvania, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the 63rd Street Yard. I believe it is the 63rd Street Yard. It could be the Calumet Yard, I'm not sure. That is C-A-L-U-M-E-T. I think it's how it's spelled. Here's a good look at the signal. I thought it went yellow, but it did not. Anyway, on this Sunday, June 8th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also subscribe to Main Street Rail Fan if you haven't already. I know their live stream went out this morning, but don't forget to subscribe to Main Street Rail Fan if you have not already. Anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed. And that is it.